Hey guys, welcome back to BWG. Today I'll be telling you how to download a video or photo of Instagram. First of all, you need to go to the App Store and search up InSaver, alright? So InSaver, search it up on the App Store or Google Play. I hope it'll work on Google Play. Go there and press the Get button, or I've already downloaded it before, but I'm going to press the cloud with the down arrow. Alright, just wait for that to download, and while you're waiting for that to download, go to Instagram, find the video you want, go to the three dots on the specific video or photo, press copy link, go back to the app, which should have installed by now depending on your internet connection speeds. Now go and, pasted, it already pasted, never mind. Alright. You can now watch the video, and you can press the arrow with the phone button, which is going to download the video. So press allow access to all photos so it can download, and now
Be an instant Santa with you.
Going to just save the video, which has been saved already, and it's done. Alright, so now if you want to do a photo, then you can go back here, find the select photo that you want. So we'll pick a photo like this here, copy this link, go back, press X, and then there you go, you've got the link pasted. It pastes instantly. Press watch it and press download there, and it's done. Alright, so there you go guys. Now it should show, if you go to your photos roll, it should show you have that photo there, and you also have this post with audio. Alright, well, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.